friends, it's Miss Jody, and today I'm going to show you a little science experiment. You know how we talk about weather in class, so what we're going to do is I'm going to talk about a science experiment on how to make a tornado in a bottle. Okay, so we're going to do a tornado in a bottle. What you'll need is a bottle that's emptied out, maybe an iced tea container or water bottle, anything like that, anything that has a lid that you can screw on. Okay, you just fill it up with water, and then you're going to need your dishwashing liquid. Okay, this is the stuff that you use, not the stuff you put in the dishwasher, but the stuff that you'll do your dishes in the sink with. Okay, so you fill this up and you put 1 or 2 drops of soap in there. Okay, you don't need a lot. You put your lid on real tight because you don't want it to leak. Alright, and now this tornado, we're going to make this by making it swirl. Alright, so you're going to shake it, but you're going to shake it in a circle, okay, not up and down. And then, look at that. You can see the funnel right here, and then how it gets bigger at the top. And there's your tornado in a bottle, okay? And the nice thing is you see how it's done? Well, guess what? Do it again. So there, look at that one, even better, okay? All right, friends, you have fun making your tornadoes in a bottle, and I can't wait to hear all about how much fun you had with it. Bye.